Have you ever felt lost, broken, like everything around you is crumbling and you don't even know where to begin again? What if I told you this moment, this pain is not your end, but your beginning for something greater? Sometimes life will break you, it will test you, but the power to rebuild yourself and your journey is already within you. And today, I will show you what you can do. Accept the fall. The first step to rebuild yourself is acceptance. You are not weak for falling, you are human. You only need to retrace your step and acknowledge what made you to fall. Don't let the pain, the failure, the mistake be the end of your story. You can still do great things with your life. They can later form foundation for your success. Redefine who you are. Who were you before everything fell apart? And more importantly, who do you want to become? It's time to redefine yourself, not by your past, but by your potential. Write down your value, your dreams, your new identity. Start now. Eliminate what's holding you back. We become our input. That is why self-rebuildings require removing dead weights, toxic habits, toxic people, and toxic thoughts. Let them go. You cannot build a new life with old bricks that keep crumbling. Build new habits. Greatness is built on daily basis. Start small. One good habit. Be generous. Value life and time. Life is lived once, and time is a limit to life. And if you want to rebuild yourself, you need to continuously developing yourself, break the limits, and value life. Be patient with yourself. You have to understand that self-rebuilding doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, discipline, and resilience. There might be some setback, but every step forward, no matter how small, is a proof that you are becoming stronger. You are not defined by what broke you. You are defined by how you choose to rebuild yourself. The power is in your hand. Are you ready to start now?